Hi everyone, it's me ADNAN, and today I'm taking over Zero Makeup's YouTube channel and I'm doing a quick get ready with me. So today's get ready with me consists of me getting ready, doing my hair, makeup look and choosing an outfit. So I'm just gonna start off with a moisturizer and I'm gonna answer a couple of questions that the team at Zero Makeup has given me, alongside some questions you've given me that revolve around makeup, skincare and lifestyle. So let's start. A moisturizer, and I'm using Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Moisturizer Water Gel. It's good for oily skin. First question that we have here is, what do you do for fun? So as sad as it sounds, I sleep for fun. I like to get around 7 hours of rest minimum, because I cannot function as a human being if I don't get the rest, and I will be very cranky. So as soon as I do my moisturizer, I will go into a primer. And yeah, for fun, I like to meet my friends, socialize, all that jazz, and just me having fun is really basic. Oh, and dancing as well. So I'm just gonna prime my T-zone, because that's where I tend to get, well, I prime my whole face, but I tend to get super oily on my T-zone, even the winters. And then the next product, I mean, it's a Zero Makeup video, and if you guys think I'm now gonna use my Zero Makeup palette, ta-da! And this is in Pearl. I recently, due to Zero Makeup being gracious and sending this to me, I recently figured out that my shade is Pearl and my shade is not Ivory. And when they sent me Pearl, I was a little skeptical, but then I tried it and it worked wonders for me. So I'm going to start off with the concealer. And one question that team at Zero Makeup has asked me is, what's my trick while applying Zero Makeup? So I actually like to warm my product up in front of a heater, just like for a couple of seconds. It makes application super smooth and it just glides on. Even though it's gliding on right now, it just glides on even more. So I'm just gonna color correct under my eyes. That's where I feel like I have a lot of darkness, maybe just some hyperpigmentation, and it's very buildable as well. So this is a color corrector. Take a foundation brush, and I have my Zero Makeup brush that I like to use for major blending. Then I'm just gonna dip it into the blend and put the blend over the concealer with this brush. This is something new I'm trying on camera. It's never too late to experiment. My guilty pleasure is binge watching shows. At the moment, Bridgerton just finished The Crown. And yeah, just like watching in one go and having a lot of snacks around me, preferably sweet and salty. So my Zero Makeup blending brush, gonna pick that up, and I'm gonna pick up the blend, and now I'm gonna dab it all over my face with my finger in the places where I haven't really put it with the brush. And the one thing I really enjoy is that this blend is super buildable. So if you want light coverage, you get that. You want medium, you get that, and you definitely get full coverage. So another question that was asked to me was a basic makeup routine, and I would suggest this, and an affordable palette or any affordable item. I would say that Zero's palette is an affordable buy, because you're getting 5 products and it'll last you a long while. So as I blend this, another technique I like to use is, I like to leave my under eyes on for an extra 20 to 30 seconds while I blend out my whole face. Never forget your neck, girls and boys. And never forget your ears, and always go in for the hairline. You never want to have your skin looking different from one angle and like shade not matching. I'm just gonna put some lip balm on. My face has been blended out seamlessly by the brush and because of the product. I'm completely fine with the way my skin looks. I've said this in my last Zero Makeup video as well, my makeup tutorial. Your skin needs to be healthy, it doesn't need to be perfect. So I don't want you girls or boys to ever compare your skins to other people, because your skin needs to be healthy and everyone has different genes, everyone has different hormone oil production levels and stuff, and you can never, maybe if you're lucky enough you can achieve that flawless look, but I know for a fact, like with me, I literally get a pimple here and there. So now I'm gonna move in with one of my favorite steps, and this is something I do all the time. I love the blush so much from the Pearl palette, and always another zero makeup tip. Apply your blush in an upward direction, so your cheeks automatically look lifted. So you can see like it's going up, and that's the vibe. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a contour. Now I'm gonna go in with the translucent setting powder. And my trick with this is I like to pick up a little small brush and do my under eyes with it, hence it becomes loose and translucent. So I do this and then I just pick it up. When did you realize sunscreen was important, and which one? This is a really good question. I recently, I think like mid-18, I'm 19 right now, so mid-18 I realized sunscreen is important, and I use 2 different variations of sunscreen. This is my proper one. This is the 50% SPF 50 from NIBILA Skin Protectant, or my daily one, which I should actually upgrade. It's finished. It's the Neutrogena Hybrid Boost SPF 25. I'm gonna go in for eyeshadow. This overall, like on my lid, this in my crease, and then this as a shadow. Zeros, kajal, kohl, and liner. Okay guys, we are taking this into a full kajal look on the lower lash. Oh, it's been a while since I've done this. Okay, I like it. Okay, now eyeliner time. Felt tip, beautiful tip, and we're just gonna get started. Zero makeup, if you're developing a mascara, please have the wand be a little bendy like this. So now, because I feel like I have a little more exposure and I have a little more experience, I choose people who I want to work with. For example, I've always, and I'm not just saying this because I'm making a video for them, the ideology behind zero makeup and the philosophy of cruelty-free makeup made in Pakistan, representing different skin tones and saying how less is more, where you have makeup artists making a girl who is tan 67 times lighter than her skin color, which is absolutely messed up. So I really enjoyed the ideology behind zero makeup, hence I work with them. And I feel like this bronzer is so nice. I'm just gonna do my forehead because I didn't want to do the cream bronzer there. Do not judge me. I've been doing this since I was very young. And it's using a black eyeshadow as a brow filling product. And I've never had anyone say my brows look bad. So I'm just gonna go with it. With this, I just go around where I feel like I see sparse edges and stuff. And my brow hair, it is black. It's not dark brown. I've had makeup artists put like light brown eyeshadow, and it's not a vibe. Like, now I'm gonna go in for the lippy, and because I have the lip balm on, I'm gonna take it off. So I'm gonna pick up on Ivory. Okay, so I've taken the blush shade in Ivory, which is actually now back in stock. So go shop Zero Makeup and use the code ZEROLOVESEYLA15 for 15% discount. Now I'm gonna take the blush color from here and the lip color from here and do the inside. My makeup is done. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you this hairstyle that I do. And you need a toothbrush for it. A toothbrush. So I put some hairspray on this toothbrush. I'm gonna calm down my baby hair. I've got the bun done. It is okay. And got this in. I'm gonna take you guys outside and I'm gonna put some jewelry, bling it up, and show you the look. Let's ignore the mess, that's my room, but we are blinged up. I have my Mishko earrings, support local, support Pakistani. I don't know where this is from, and I will tell you. This ring is Mission Code. This, I don't know where it's from. This, I also don't know. And I have like 3 chains on, but you can't see them. This is With Love by Sanya. This is also Mission Co, and this is Mama. It says Mama. So this is my jewelry look. It's pretty cash because I don't know. This is the look, and I will show you the outfit. So the outfit is this. My room is really messy. I am so sorry, but the outfit is this sweatshirt jogger set from She's Apparel. Again, made in Pakistan, supporting local, and I'm just gonna pair this with sneakers. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching me on ZEROMAKEUP's ZEROMAKEUP's YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at AYLA's World, on TikTok AYLA's World, and YouTube AYLA's World. Thank you so much for having me. Bye, guys.